New York City 247, bringing you New York City today, our first snow day for this fall, winter. Speeding, officer. That fellow was speeding. Okay, showing you guys the snowfall that we have. It's still fall here. November 15, 2018. It's kind of early for this type of weather. If you guys can see this coming down here. So right now I'm just diagonal from Trump Tower. I just don't feel like walking over that way at this moment. But there's Trump Tower. Snow is coming down. Not really sticking here on the streets, because usually does not. It will stick on the rooftops, you know, top of your car and that sort of thing, but it doesn't really stick in the street unless the conditions are extraordinarily cold. The subways beneath ground keep the streets warm, which is why when the snow hits, it melts and doesn't really stick to the streets. Let's take a little stroll down Fifth Avenue. Check it out. Let's just walk in Fifth Avenue. Oh, cars are coming. Ah! I'm gonna get hit by a car. Taxi. Whew. Let's go check this out. I'm actually walking in the street on Fifth Avenue for you guys. You get the real deal. Oh wait, the light's gonna change. Hold up. Hold up. Alright, I made it. Whew. I was walking against the grain. See, you gotta wait for that white man over there. He tells you when you can walk and not walk. And I did not do that. Alright, so let's continue. I should really throw a hat on or something. So I'm getting soaked right now. Here, by the way, this is Harry Winston. I don't know if you guys know what this is about right here. Alright, a little fancy boutique store here in New York City. It's 55th and 5th Avenue. Alright. New York City 247 reporting. You guys were just YouTubed. New York City 247 reporting. What do you think of the snow today? Guess not. Here we are in front of Coach, 54th and 5th Avenue. A couple of these stores are already getting ready for Christmas. You see the cars have some snow on them. Like I said, it's very early in the season for this to happen. Thanksgiving has not even arrived yet. Some snow on the crosswalk signs, on the poles. Yeah. Whew. It's starting to come down now. I feel as if I could really make a snowman, although I know I really can't because there's no accumulation here on the streets. What do you guys think of the snowfall today? Crazy, right? I'm reporting from New York City 247.
Sorry?
I'm reporting from New York City 247. What do you guys think of the snow today?
He cannot speak English, but I
Oh,
can.
okay. What do you think of the snowfall?
Amazing. It's our
It's amazing, right? Your first time in the snow in New York City. This is a great experience, right?
It's amazing.
Yeah. Awesome. Great. Thank you for your time. Have a good day, guys. Okay. Bye. Whew. Not sure how well that interview went. Getting pelted by the snow, and I'm not sure if I lost my angle of vision at that time. I have to review that one. But you can see here, it's coming down pretty hard right now. But again, no accumulation in the streets. But no matter how you look at it, whenever it snows in New York, the traffic gets backed up. Everything just gets slowed down. Transportation is horrible. The last time I remember snow this early in the season, before winter actually has come, was just after the Sandy hurricane. And that was quite a few years ago. I don't even remember. 2012, I think. 2014. I don't know. Google it. Sandy hurricane, New York City. And here we are. Passing by the Nike flagship store, Fifth Avenue. All right, right now we're 52nd and Fifth Avenue. Just Do It, NYC. So check that out when you're around here. Today was the grand opening day, by the way. Matter of fact, you can still see the people lined up in the front. I don't know if you can see, they got them behind these guardrails. Yeah, opening day today. Nike flagship store. All right. Dum 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 dum. All right, hold on. I'm gonna put my hat on here. All right, it's like a winter wonderland out here today. I'm still strolling. It's a very wet snow. Just hitting the ground, turning into rain. All right, here we are here at St. Patrick's Cathedral. There's a lot of slush on the streets right now. That sort of thing. It's wet conditions to walk through. And maybe I'll take you guys real quick across the front of Saks Fifth Avenue. Reporting from New York City 247 right here, sir. What do you got to say about the snow? I guess not. Reporting from right. Let's mosey along. Take you guys. Let me maybe get on this side of the street if I could do that quick for you. Show you the front side of Saks Fifth Avenue. They already have it set up, getting ready for the Christmas lighting. If you guys can see that here, I'm standing right in the middle of the street for you guys, right in the middle of Fifth Avenue. So if I die, or if I get hit by a car, somebody call 911 for me. I would appreciate that. Whew. All right, back on the sidewalk. Safe grounds, safe grounds. All right, here you go. Saks Fifth Avenue is getting ready for the holiday light show. This is a pretty interesting thing they just added in here. They just added in this bear artwork. Yeah. Should ask that fellow what he knows about this guy here. What do you think? What is that, like the bear that you see like on the honey bottles? Let me see what this is here. Here's the story behind it. I'll put that at the end of the video so you guys could read that. Alright, there's a Rockefeller Christmas tree straight down there. Right behind that scaffold. Let's yonder back over this way. Whew, wow. Another sneaker store on Fifth Avenue. Apparently this has turned into a big business. Puma coming to Fifth Avenue in New York City. Look at this. You've seen it here first, and I'll take you guys for a tour. Once it does open, it gets to that point. Puma coming summer 2019. I was gonna cross, get whacked by a bus. Anyhow, I think we're gonna take this video down for a close. I don't want to bore you guys. Whew. Reporting direct from New York City on Fifth Avenue. This is New York City 247. Be sure to subscribe, tell a friend, share this video. If you know what's good, please give me a thumbs up. New York City 247. I'm out. Ooh, ooh.